How to upload videos on Pinterest. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can upload videos on Pinterest. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's open up the Pinterest. First thing you need to do to be able to upload video here in Pinterest is you need to basically convert your account into a business account. Let me show you how. First thing is you need to go to save or onto your profile. And then you can click the three dots on the top right corner. Then here, click settings. Once you got here, you can click the account management. And then you can see here the convert to a business account. You can click that. And then convert account. Here it said add your profile name. You can add your profile name into whatever you want. In this video, I'm gonna put negative, something like that. And then click next. And here, if you have any website, you can put this thing. But I will click the no website yet. Describe your business. What's your business all about? I'm gonna check the publisher or media for the video purposes and click next. And then you can click the I'm not sure yet. You can close this one and then go to your profile again and then click the three dots once again. Go to settings. Once you're here, you can click the personal information. And then you can set your country/region. I'm gonna set this into United States. It depends on yours. Once you're done, you can go home here at Pinterest and then click the create button on the bottom middle of the screen. And then click pin. Here you can now choose whatever video you want to upload. Example, I'm gonna upload this game right here. I'm gonna click next. And then you can pick a cover for your image, thumbnail, something like that. Once you're done, click next. And you can put a title for your pin. Example, game and description. Once you're done here, you can click the next. And save it into whatever board you like. Or you can create here at the bottom. I'm gonna put it in my Shimmer body. And then there you go. As you can see, it is now uploaded. You can click the C pin. And there you go. My first video is now uploaded. And that's how to upload video on Pinterest. I hope the video was really helpful. And it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.